Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the front post half double crochet. To begin, I will start off with the half double crochet in the first stitch, but follow your pattern regarding what you need to do and how to begin your row. Well, to do the front post half double crochet, you will yarn over just like you would a half double crochet and use the post and not the stitch. This is the stitch up top. This is the post. So what you're going to do, yarn over, insert your hook from front to back to front, yarn over, and pull back through. Just like a regular half double crochet stitch, you will have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. You completed it just like a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook from front to back to front, yarn over, and pull back through. You will have 3 loops just like a normal half double crochet. Yarn over and complete your stitch. And I'll work a few more just so you can see. And then we'll take a look at the end of the row to see how this looks on the post stitch. And then I will half double crochet in the last stitch to make it look neat. Okay, so now we have the half double crochet on the post below, and you can work this on any post. I'm just working it on a double crochet. You can work it on a half or a single crochet stitch, but it's easier to see on these double crochets. So the double crochet stitch is now on the back because you worked on the front. And so your work lays on the front. And that is how you complete the front post half double crochet. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.